The crypto world is abuzz with speculation. The potential approval of an XRP ETF in 2025 is looking more likely. Poly Market, a popular prediction market, reflects this sentiment. The odds of approval have jumped to 79%. This signifies a notable increase in confidence among market participants. Several factors contribute to this surge in optimism. A key development is Coinbase's recent launch of a regulated XRP futures product. This move is significant for several reasons. It provides a regulated platform for XRP derivatives trading in the US. This addresses a major concern previously raised by the SEC regarding market manipulation. The arrival of a new SEC chair adds another layer to the narrative. Paul Atkins, known for his pro-crypto stance, now leads the regulatory body. This appointment signals a potential shift in the SEC's approach to cryptocurrencies. Atkins's understanding of the technology and its potential could pave the way for a more favorable regulatory environment. The SEC is currently reviewing 5 applications for XRP ETFs. A decision is expected by mid-October 2025. This deadline adds to the anticipation surrounding XRP's future. The outcome of these applications could have significant implications for the broader crypto market. Coinbase's decision to launch a regulated XRP futures product is a game-changer. This strategic move has sent ripples throughout the crypto market. It addresses one of the SEC's primary concerns: market manipulation. The lack of a regulated US market for XRP derivatives was a major hurdle for ETF approval. Coinbase's initiative tackles this issue head-on. By offering a regulated platform, it provides transparency and oversight. This instills greater confidence among institutional investors. The launch of XRP futures on Coinbase also signifies growing mainstream acceptance. Coinbase is a leading player in the crypto space. Its decision to list XRP futures lends legitimacy to the cryptocurrency. This move could encourage other institutions to follow suit. The introduction of a regulated futures market is a significant step toward wider XRP adoption. It provides investors with more sophisticated trading tools. This in turn could lead to increased liquidity and stability in the XRP market. The appointment of Paul Atkins as SEC chair marks a potential turning point for the crypto industry. Atkins brings a deep understanding of blockchain technology and its potential. His pro-crypto stance stands in contrast to the previous administration's more cautious approach. Atkins's leadership could usher in a new era of regulatory clarity. The crypto industry has long sought clear guidelines from regulators. Atkins's appointment raises hopes for a more constructive dialogue between the industry and the SEC. A more crypto-friendly SEC could have wide-ranging implications. It could lead to the approval of not just XRP ETFs, but also ETFs for other cryptocurrencies. This would open up new avenues for institutional and retail investors to gain exposure to the asset class. However, it's important to note that Atkins will face challenges within the SEC. The organization has a mandate to protect investors and maintain market integrity. Balancing these responsibilities with fostering innovation will be a key challenge for the new chair. The potential approval of an XRP ETF holds significant implications for both XRP and the broader crypto market. A successful launch could trigger a surge in demand for XRP. This is based on the precedent set by Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. Bitcoin ETFs, launched earlier, witnessed massive inflows. Within a year, they amassed over $107 billion in assets. Ethereum ETFs, however, experienced a more muted response. This suggests that investor appetite for altcoin ETFs may vary. Analysts predict that XRP ETFs could attract significant investment. Estimates range up to $8 billion in inflows within the first year. However, the overall demand for altcoin ETFs remains uncertain. The approval of an XRP ETF would be a watershed moment for the crypto industry. It would signal growing mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrencies as an asset class. This could pave the way for further ETF approvals and drive institutional adoption. The coming months will be crucial for XRP and the crypto market. The SEC's decision on XRP ETF applications could shape the regulatory landscape for years to come. The world is watching closely.